just made zero glue edible slime. I did not use it with my spit. That would be gross, but it is gum. I soaked it in water and look. It's like crunchy. It's like 50% slime, 50% not. 2. It's sticky. It's sticky too. It leaves a residue on my hands, but it's really good. Oh, I was just thinking of a song that's stuck in my head. I just took a bath, as you can see my hair. But look at this sticky residue. And my hands are very moist. But the question is, can I make good bubble pops? It's on my counter. Yeah, I think I should get the plate, but then it will be on the plate. Oh well. It doesn't look good. Oh, I just wasted a dish on that. I feel ashamed. I'm gonna go wash this. Put it down. Oh. Overall, this is a good slime. Why did you answer something I'm recording with? Hey, Smacky! What? Smacky. Nothing. My brother calling me. Oh, is there like... It's sticky. Look at this evil monster. Bye-bye. Won't be bothering me. I think I'm gonna leave it to sit. This is my slime taste test. After I leave it sit for part 2, stay tuned.